Razor bumps, also known as ingrown hairs, appear on the face and neck as a result of shaving. Razor bumps, in my experience, are more often found on the neck, although they also do occur on the face as well. You don't have to have sensitive skin to develop razor bumps. This happens when the hair gets trapped underneath the skin or curls back into the skin and produces inflammation and scarring. Some men go to great lengths at home to make their razor bumps better. They've used all sorts of topical ointments that they found on the internet, and sometimes even instruments to try and get these razor bumps to go away. The Gillette SkinGuard razor has removed any ingredients that would irritate the skin and has 2 blades specifically placed to reduce tug and pull on the hairs, and also added a unique skin guard to help enhance the shaving experience and allow for us to have a close yet comfortable shave. Every man deserves to get the best shave for their skin. Click here to learn more about razor bumps.